Hey everybody, it's Chris Denmon, a civil trial lawyer and partner at Denmon and Pearlman, and I want to talk to you about mediation in your personal injury case. So if you're watching this video right now, it's because we filed a lawsuit in your case. We probably have gone through depositions where you've had an opportunity to sit down and answer questions for the insurance attorney. And now we're preparing to go into a mediation or a formal settlement conference to see if we can get your case resolved. Now, what is mediation? Mediation is an opportunity for resolution. And mediation will often all start in one room. That would be me if I'm the attorney on your case, or another attorney in our firm, and you on one side of a table, and on the other side of the table you can expect that there's going to be an insurance claims adjuster and there's going to be an insurance attorney. And in the middle of us, at the front end of the table, there's going to be a mediator. It's a professional, somebody who's trained, and his whole deal, his whole thing is about trying to get a resolution for all of us so that the case would stop, we would settle it, and we wouldn't have to go further in your case anymore. A mediation will start with everyone in one room, and then we'll split up. We'll do what we call caucus. In other words, you and I, if I'm the attorney working with you, we'll go into another room, or the insurance attorney and the adjuster will go into another room, and then the mediator will go back and forth, and his goal is to get a resolution, get a deal done. Now, before we end up going into mediation, we're going to sit down and we're going to have a meeting in advance, and we're going to go over a couple of things. We'll rehash this stuff here, and I'll answer any questions that you have, but we'll also talk, most importantly, we'll value your case. We're going to decide what it is that our settlement range is going to be, and perhaps most importantly, we're going to commit to what the lowest number is that we're going to resolve your case for. And we're going to take that with us in mediation. And that's just to make sure that we're on the same page, and to make sure that when we go in there, we don't end up taking a resolution that we don't like and it's not a good resolution. What if you don't get a deal done in mediation? Don't worry about it. We go to mediation all the time, and more often than not, to get a right resolution for our clients, we don't get things done in mediation. It's not a problem. We ended up just going forward with the litigation path. We'll probably set your case for trial if it isn't already set for trial. We'll further the discovery process, meaning I might have more witnesses that I need to talk to. Maybe we need to set some depositions with your doctors. But again, it's nothing to worry about. It is not uncommon at all to go into mediation and not get a deal done. Sometimes we go into mediation and the other insurance attorney can be a little bit gruff, a little bit confrontational with you. And sometimes the other attorney will make lowball, horrible offers. If that happens, don't worry about it. It's not a big deal. Crazy stuff happens like that all the time. It's nothing to worry about. At the end of the day, we've sat down in advance. We know what your case is worth. We know what we're going to resolve the case for. And if it doesn't happen at mediation, so what? I just got a little extra work I got to do, but we'll get it done and we'll move forward. If you have any questions before we sit down and we meet, please give our office a call, talk to your case manager or the attorney that's assigned to your case. Otherwise, we'll see you soon to prepare you for mediation.